I was sent the book, The Ultimate Guide to Rebuilding Civilization. And this is probably the coolest coffee table book I've had. And just the feeling and the texture of it when it first arrived, it really reminded me at my grandparents' house. They used to have all the different encyclopedias, and it just has that same feel to it. It's so beautifully done there on the outside, but what's on the inside is even cooler. So every single page has these insanely cool graphics and animations, and each one is a different topic. So fishing, leather craft, salt and preservation, rectified spirits, arches and bridges, and each one has a different category: submarine, armor and chainmail, telephone. Just what would happen if we had to rebuild civilization? It's all in here. If it was up to you to rebuild it, could you do it? And I think that's what's really cool about this too, is it just sparks a lot of conversation. There's a page about childbirth and thinking about going through that without the modern medicine help that we have today. Ooh, crazy. But what's so cool is it just gets people talking, but you can also just use this book if you just want to come home every day and read a page so that you're super knowledgeable on all the things. One thing that I thought was cool is just thinking about, like, if it was up to me, gosh, like half this stuff, I don't think I could replicate. Could I figure out dentistry? Probably not very well. How would I be able to handle a broken bone or wounds? You know, at least I would know a little more about it. So really, really cool book. This makes such a good gift for someone as well. And it comes very beautifully packaged in a nice box as well. So great book for yourself, for a friend. It's going to be a really good conversation starter and just a great way to kind of keep your brain thinking about what you would do if it was up to you to rebuild civilization. It's so beautifully done, and I know you're going to love this, and anyone you give it to or anyone who sees it is going to love it as well.